welcome back to LeetCode 75 day 3, and today we'll be solving question number 1431, kids with the greatest number of candies. So to summarize the question and the problem statement, it just says that we have a candies vector and value a of I shows the number of candies the kid AI has. So kid 1 has 2 candies, kid 2 has 3 candies, and similarly kid 5 has 3 candies. And we are also given an integer extra candies. And we need to output a bool vector that will contain bool values, and we need to know that if we add the extra candies to every element of the candies vector, whether it will be the largest element or not. So for example, kid 1 has 2 candies, right, and we have extra candies integer as 3. So if we add 2 and 3, we get 5, and 5 is the largest element of the given vector. So to visualize this problem statement, let's take candies vector as 2 3 5 1 3, and let's take extra candies as in this example as 3, and let's calculate. And as we can see, kid 1 has 2 candies, and if we add 2 plus 3, we can have the greatest number of candies. So the first element of the output vector will be 2. Kid 2 has 3 candies, and 3 plus 3 is 6, which is the largest element. So kid 2 can also have the greatest number of candies. And similarly, kid 4 has 1 candy, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4 since is less than 5, so kid 4 cannot have greatest number of candies and hence will output false. So the answer vector, the bool vector, should be true, 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 false, and true, as written here. To code this solution, there's a pretty straightforward algorithm. We'll just initialize a variable ELE as the max element of our given vector, which is candies. So candies dot begin and candies dot end. So ELE contains the maximum element of our vector, and we will create a vector of bool values. Let's name it V. We'll initialize a for loop, traverse through the array. So candies dot size and I plus plus. So if candies of I plus extra candies goes on to become larger than the ELE variable, we will just push back true to the vector, and if it is not the case, that is else, we just push back false. And we return V. Let's see if this works. Yes, it does. Let's submit it. Yes, it works and it is accepted. 5 milliseconds. So that was it, guys. Stay tuned for more LeetCode 75 questions. Thank you.